Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok's time warp effect. So go to your TikTok account and tap on the plus icon at the bottom and just record the video you want. Once you're done, tap on the check icon at the bottom right. And then here on the right, tap on effects. Slide to the right, and then the last option here is time. Let's choose that. And here you can choose reverse, repeat, or slow-mo. If we choose reverse, this is what will happen. So basically, the video will be reversed as it is. And now choose repeat. And the video will repeat itself. Slow-mo, you can adjust the timing of when you want the slow-mo effect to take effect. And basically that's it. Once you're settled, just tap save and tap next. Now you're ready to post your video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next one.